A robust rail network is the key to economic growth. From decongesting urban regions to development of rural areas, safe and reliable rail travel brings consumer goods, manpower, and raw material that enrich the standard of living of people across the globe. Dependable, responsible, innovative. India's pioneer in rail consulting and an internationally trusted company, Balaji Railroad Systems Limited. Barsyl is a leading rail consulting company in India with a global presence. Established in 1986, we are pioneers in rail systems consultancy.
27 years ago, 4 retired railway people started a small company to provide consultancy to the existing industries and the new ones that are coming.
During our quarter century of service, we have worked on memorable projects such as the first PPP of the Indian Railways, the Viragam-Mehsana line, to the recent metros of Chennai as well as Hyderabad. With this wealth of knowledge comes an expert service in systems planning, design, project management, and O&M support. It is no wonder that we have been an integral support to the Indian Railways for more than 2 decades.
We just started with a small office in Hyderabad. Over the years, we added offices in various metros, and today we have full-fledged offices in all the metros in India.
Barsyl has expanded its operations to designing and conceiving ports. We helped build India's first private port, the Adani port off the Gulf of Kutch. We have also helped to build the Visakhapatnam port. We also undertake MRTS projects such as metro rail and monorail.
Foraying into the metro, we have provided services as the first Indian company being a general consultant for the Chennai Metro.
For the Chennai Metro, Barsyl had its experts in place for various rail systems like track, third rail electrification, power distribution, signaling, telecommunications, systems integration, and support personnel for HVAC, as well as other auxiliary systems apart from the supervision and design review teams.
We were the technical consultant to the government of Andhra Pradesh for selection of L&T as a concessionaire for Hyderabad Metro. Then we have subsequently working on Hyderabad Metro as an independent engineer.
Hyderabad Metro. The estimated cost of the project is 12,132 crore rupees. 3 corridors spanning a length of approximately 71.16 kilometers are to be taken up in Phase 1 to connect various parts of Hyderabad city. We provide services to a wide spectrum of clients, both in the private sector and the government sector. And you can consult Barsyl with confidence, because we know how to get it on track, on time, always.
We do have good resources who are technically sound and knowledgeable. With the expertise and experienced resources, we are confident that we can do better and will be doing better in future.
Barsyl's rail systems projects include freight rail, passenger rail, and suburban rail projects. Barsyl's vast array of offered services are techno-economic feasibility studies, concept reports, detailed project reports, detailed design, project management and site supervision, pre-bid advisory, technical audits, owner's engineer, independent and lender's engineer, due diligence and quality control, preparation of manuals and specifications, regulatory safety and standards audit, RAMS.
And international level also we have done a lot of projects. So if you say like great SNC renewal in UK for the Scott Wilson, and then Sarawak in Malaysia, we have done about 300 kilometers freight rail feasibility, and Dhaka Chittagong around 300 kilometers feasibility study. This added to that, and technical audit at monorail project in KL. Those are some icon projects.
We are proud to have executed more than 600 very demanding and challenging projects for clients in over 15 countries across the world.
We would definitely be having a couple of offices overseas because our activities overseas are on an increase. We are looking at some major projects, long-term projects across the globe.
We, as of today, cater to almost 60% of the power projects in the country. Similarly, we have been doing substantial projects for all the major cement manufacturers, namely Lafarge, Aditya Birla Group, and very many cement players in the country.
Barsyl's track record has attracted a vast number of prestigious clients, including Reliance, Aditya Birla Group, Gujarat Infrastructure Development Board, the UK Railway, Malaysia Railway, Bangladesh Railways, etc. Barsyl is committed to continuously improve its services by meeting the client's needs as well as the global railway standard requirements. we are proud to be an ISO 9001 certified company. Our dedicated team combines technical skill with a strong understanding of the railway sector so as to help our clients execute their rail projects successfully.
In the type of business that Barsyl is in, the employee right from CAD engineer to the technical expert is an asset, and he is the one who contributes for this organization's success.
Barsyl is committed to ensuring a high standard of ethical and professional practices, including the provision of safe working conditions and the protection of employees' rights. Barsyl's quality policy can be enumerated as follows: delivering services by enhancing the skills of the employees through training programs, setting quality objectives and targets, and reviewing them at regular intervals for continual improvement. Implementation and application of the processes and procedures defined in the Barsyl management system, applying appropriate technologies and deploying necessary resources. Effective communication with client and those associated with the projects to provide time-bound services as agreed with the client. Reviewing the performance of the BMS through quality audits. Taking preventive and corrective actions on the feedback received from the client. Barsyl will not engage in business with individuals and institutions who do not meet the 9-point code. Our relentless pursuit of excellence, strict adherence to standards, and a high degree of professionalism has made Barsyl a player to be reckoned with in the rail systems consulting industry. A number of prestigious awards, including India's Small Giants 2014, Top 100 SMEs Award 2012 and 2013, EPC World Award for Best Railway Consultant 2010, EPC World Award for Emerging Consultants in Urban Infrastructure Projects 2011.
Barsyl today is an undisputed leader in Indian rail industry, which will continue to grow. I am sure that in the next few years, this is what is going to be the growth engine.
Turnover 5 years ago was in the range of about 6 to 7 crores. This year we are close to 30, which means we are growing at about 35 to 40%. We want to continue this growth. In fact, maybe press the pedal a little and go to about 40-45%. We've set ourselves a target of achieving 200 crores in the next 5 years. So the percentage might grow marginally, but the numbers would become much more difficult to achieve. But I think looking at the market, we feel confident that yes, we should be there at the end of 2019.
Barsyl is a one-stop rail systems consultant. 25 glorious years of serving clients, leadership, quality, commitment. Balaji Railroad Systems Limited,